but we copy the installation script, installation command, we input it to the terminal, it downloads the configs and files, and then we generate the certificates for secure connection in the browser. So the certificates were generated, they expire in more than 2 years from now, and we are ready to start. So let's run docker compose app that actually runs the HyperAgency. And now I think we are ready to open the app in the browser. To do this, we open h9y.localhost. Alright, this is now running agentic AI operating system in your browser.